Top Current Affairs MCQs September 2025. Which is the fastest train of India? The correct answer is Namo, Bharat. In which country was India's first foreign Atal Innovation Centre launched? The correct answer is Abu Dhabi. In which city did India launch SAJEX 2025 to strengthen the jewellery trade? The correct answer is Jeddah. Where has IIM Ahmedabad first global campus been started? The correct answer is Dubai. Which city has recently been recognized as a Ramsar wetland city? The correct answer is Udaipur. For more questions, download our app from Play Store or link is in comments and subscribe Strategy PCS.